task 1. So basically you have to look on the internet how the tags works in HTML. So HTML basically is an hypertext markup language, which clearly means that you can write some syntax and you can have your HTML code ready. And the time when we combine more than one HTML code into multiple files, or in short, you can say when we put multiple HTML files together, it becomes a website. So in my case, I have this single HTML file. This is known as a web page. Okay. So what you are supposed to do is write a simple plain HTML file that includes all of its major tags. For example, I have added the doc type tag, I have added the head tag, I have added the HTML tag, then I have used the header tag, then the body tag. So you have to add all these tags. You can put whatever you want in your HTML file. Then for example, I am adding an UL tag, stands for unordered list. Then I am adding the heading tags here, then the paragraph tags. So you have to write a HTML file with all the basic tags in it, so that it can act as a proof that, okay, you know a little bit about the HTML. Okay. So you can write in any text editor and you can preview it. If you are using VS Code, just right click on the file name and hit the copy path button and go to any browser and just paste that URL in here and hit the go button. So you can see the plain HTML file. You have added all the tags and all those tags are listed right here. So this will be your first task during the internship, that you have to write a HTML file that contains almost all the basic HTML tags. For example, the heading tags, the anchor tag for the URL and everything, then the list tag, the code tag basically, then we have the audio tag, the video tag, the image tag. Okay. So this will be your first task.